Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to go over the New York morning session. That's the only session I trade from 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York. I usually extend my hours, though, to 11 a.m. New York. So, let's get into it. So I'm going to start off on the dollar, DXY. On the weekly chart, I am bullish. I'm expecting it to kind of go into this fair value gap right here, and then we might want to sell off into this sell side liquidity, these equal lows here. And on the daily, I was bullish on the daily for the dollar, so that means currencies would be bearish. So I was bearish on the EU. That's the main pair I trade. So yeah, we reacted off this order block right here, and then we started driving up. London, we opened at midnight right here, came across London open. We had a small rally up, and then it just kind of consolidated coming into New York session. We swept these lows right before New York, and then we just started driving up. So as we approached 8:30, we were already up here, and I wanted to see a retracement on Euro, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So I didn't have any trades today on Euro. Right now it's consolidating a fair amount here. The only reason why I had a confluence for a short was because of DXY. It's kind of your barometer for everything. So I'm going to hop into the 1 hour here. Let me annotate this real quick. Alright, so we have midnight open right here. You can extend that out. And then we had a rally up after London, and then we just dropped heavy. So once the session began at 8:30, I start at 8:30. I was looking for a rally up into this fair value gap right here, because since this rally right here occurred at 6:30, and then we came down. This fair value gap formed at 7:45, market structure shift, and I would have taken this off the 15-minute if it would have came into that fair value gap. You could have also refined it too. I was thinking about doing that, and then just aiming for these lows. Could have went for this sell side liquidity here, and that right there, that fair value gap is, I believe, a 4-hour fair value gap right here. So this 4-hour fair value gap, extend that across. You could have aimed for that as well, but once news came out at 5:30, we had high news and medium news, and then FOMC, Mr. Powell, he was talking today at 6:30, and then we had more news come out at 7:30, medium news. So once this 7:30 a.m. hit, or not 7:30, what time was the news for Powell? 6:30, yeah, so 6:30. 9:30 New York. Once 9:30 New York hit, it got really volatile. You might not be able to see it right here, but during the day, the market just got really fast and started really picking up speed. And I was just looking for it to come up into here, into that fair value gap, but it never did. And so gonna look on the 5-minute chart. So we swept all these highs coming up into here, and I saw this high form right under the fair value gap, and which formed a 15-minute high right here. But so I was kind of seeing that as equal highs, these two, and I thought that'd be a really good scenario to short right in here, but it literally just never came up. We had these formed equal highs, and so maybe I was thinking maybe it would come back in again, but it just decided not to. And we also have a 1 hour order block stretching across right here. And yeah, so there was no trades for me today, but yeah, we just had some good price action overall and some nice movement. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I was looking at NQ. What's the little code for it? As DAC. NQ. Let's see. Okay, right here. NQ September contract. Where was it? Right here. So we could do bar replay on this. So for indices, it's 8:30 a.m. New York. So I'm gonna replay this. We had the 2022 mentorship going into 8:30. You could say your bias was bullish for the day. We had this swing form on Tuesday, and then coming into Wednesday, I would be looking for a continuation up. We filled this fair value gap right here, and yeah, so I'm gonna replay how this would be done if you were trading this. So when 8:30 opened, hide this. You could draw your low out right before 8:30, and then we go under, and you could just start flipping 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there's nothing there. So you can go down again, and then just keep looking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there's still no market structure shifts with fair value gaps, but I'm just going to get to it. So that was basically your market structure shift right there on the 5-minute, but if you go to the 4, the 3 minute had a good fair value gap right here. You could have taken that off of. So you could just place your order like that, go under the low, and just aim for those highs up there. And yeah, so you literally just wait for it to come back, and boom. So NASDAQ had a good trade today, but I don't trade indices, so I just stick with Forex for now. But yeah, that is the journal for the day, and hope you guys enjoyed it and got something out of it. I will talk to you later.